In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. Many of us enjoy using Canva Pro for its powerful design features and versatility, but sometimes it's necessary to cancel the subscription, whether for financial reasons or simply because you no longer need the service. I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily manage your account and make any necessary changes effortlessly. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Canva homepage and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear symbol, so go ahead and click on that. Next, when you click on the settings icon, you'll be directed to a new page with various options related to your account. Here, you want to choose the billing and teams option. You might see billing listed individually in some accounts depending on your configuration, but both will take you to the same destination regarding plan management. Click on it to proceed and manage your subscriptions. Once you're on the billing page, you'll see all the details about your current subscription plan. Look carefully at the information provided. To the right of the plans, you should see a set of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as an options menu. Click on these dots to reveal more options related to your subscription plan. Now, after clicking the 3 dots, you'll find a few additional settings related to your subscription. One of these options will be Cancel Plan. Select this option to initiate the cancellation process. It's important to pay attention during this part because Canva may offer additional prompts or questions asking why you're cancelling, and your feedback can be valuable to them. After you've clicked Cancel Plan, follow any prompts that Canva provides to confirm your cancellation. You might have to answer a brief survey or verify that you truly wish to discontinue your Pro subscription. Be sure to follow these prompts carefully to ensure your cancellation request is processed correctly. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the process of cancelling your Canva Pro subscription. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding your cancellation and review any changes to your account status or upcoming billing. If you ever decide to resubscribe, you're more than welcome to explore their features again in the future. If you have any questions or run into issues, Canva's support team is available to assist. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.